From Current USA, we're here to show our loop control system with our Orbit Marine IC lights, wave pumps, and the eFlux DC pumps. We're here at the Global Pet Expo in Orlando, Florida.
Tell us a little bit about the Loop.
So Loop is actually a software control system that allows all of your aquarium components to be operated in one simple way. We include an infrared remote, but we also have an app that works on iPhone and Android. It connects via Bluetooth, and each system comes with a very simple controller. The controller controls your lights, your wave pumps, and your DC pumps all in one, so that you don't need multiple remotes to control or program anything. The Orbit IC is available as a single strip. We also have a dual strip, or you can buy an accessory strip. The dual strip and accessory strip should be available in around a month. But with two strips on this tank here, you're looking at about 120 par at the bottom. So we recommend it for softies, LPS, but you can still grow SPS corals.
Now, you said the sand bed was about 120, but like let's say for example on the top of the rocks area, like where the elegance is, how much run are you looking at?
You're probably at the rock area here. You're probably looking at around 200, 250. The one thing about the Orbit ICs is it's not like a module light. It's an LED strip, so you get a lot less shadowing. The light is spread out over the entire tank. But you don't get the intensity from like a single module light.
Now, I think that's because you have that dual bubble lens, right?
Yes, these have 80-degree lenses. The original Orbit Marine Pro, we were the first ones to have the bubble type or dome lens, as we call them. They use a 60 degree. These spread the light out a little bit wider. They're not as sharp, but it does give a really good even spread over the whole tank.
And how does it really all communicate or come all together? How simple it is to use?
It's really simple to use. Like I said, it comes with a loop controller. That's just a digital display. And behind the loop controller, there's a couple hubs. They're little boxes. You plug your DC transformers into it. You can plug your light, you can plug up the 3 wave pumps, and then there's also a DC pump. All of those hubs can also operate independently. So you can control your DC pump separately, you could run your wave pump separately, that's up to you. But it's very simple, plug in, operate. Again, the infrared remote is incredibly simple. You can do all of your lighting modes, change the color. I can go into a rolling cloud cover if I want. We're very big about the on-demand effects, making the things move without having to amputate with like the lights. Because we use IC chips, we can do different lights, so you can see that the lightning is lighting up in different areas of the tank versus the whole tank lighting up. And again, you can control up to 3 wave pumps with it. You can sync them. We have a feed mode, so if I wanted to feed the fish, that shuts the pumps off. And the app that we have uses Bluetooth. There's no Wi-Fi, so as long as you're in range of about a few hundred feet, it'll connect. When you come home, it's automatically connected. It's just like a speaker, a Bluetooth speaker.
Now, what if you're outside the house and stuff like that, and if you wanted to do something?
The loop system isn't designed to be the type of control system that you would want to access from your airplane at 30,000 feet. However, since it does use Bluetooth, we will be making it compatible with the Amazon Echo. So you'll be able to not only tell Alexa to do things, but if you use the Alexa app, you can actually just log into your Alexa app and you can access all of the controls right through your Alexa app.
All right. Now let's focus on the app. If you could maybe show me the screen and then
Sure.
Walk me through it real quick.
Sure. So, all right. So we tried to keep the app extremely simple. It's very much laid out like the remote. After you open the app, you can either sign up or get a new tank via Bluetooth, or you can open up an existing tank. And this is what the home screen looks like. It actually has a black dot that rolls around that will tell you where you are during the day. Shows your sunrise, sunset, daylight, moonlight, the hours it's running, the current weather forecast. You can also connect a temperature sensor that comes with the Bluetooth that will show your temperature. All of the on-demand modes are located at the bottom, even your feed, so you can access everything right from this screen. And then there's two basic programming screens. You can program all of your sunrise, sunset, moonlight, choose between AM, PM, pick your weather. If you want to change the color spectrum of your sunrise, you can change that, change the time. Or you can also control your pumps from the same screen. So you can do 3 channels of wave pumps, set even your wave pumps as a primary or a secondary where they're synced with another pump. And then you can also connect your flow pumps, up to 2 channels of them, and set those as well. And in terms of the app, that's it. We wanted to keep it very simple to navigate and very simple like the remote that we use.
Now, anything else you want to cover on the
I
Loop?
don't know if you want to have this on camera or not, but like me, I'm more into 500, 700 gallon tanks. What's the maximum height that I could be mounted on that it would be related to the manual consent?
Well, on a table like this, we usually recommend
This is more towards the shallow tanks.
But yeah, if you're this is really for people who, especially with the wave pumps. The wave pumps